Hey friends, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. Today we are going to make a roasted tomatillo salsa verde that is going to knock your socks off. It is super good. It takes about 20 minutes to make total, and the ingredients I will show you, they are right here. We are looking at some cilantro, some cumin, a tomato, some garlic, oregano, tomatillos, onions, and some chilies. Woo! Those chilies do bring some heat. So let's
Use
get
about
to
a
it.
medium heat and a tablespoon of olive oil. Cut all the vegetables into quarter pieces and then place onto the pan. The veggies are getting there, but we want everything a bit charred, which is really going to give our salsa that robust roasted flavor. Now add in the chilies. Remove the stems from the cilantro and chop. So these veggies are soft and charred and looking good. Turn the stove off and remove from the pan now. Look at these chilies. Dump all the pan veggies into the blender and mix. Add in the cumin, the oregano, cilantro, pepper, and lime juice, and blend.
But I have to do my tasting. So once again, we got our yellow corn chips. Let's see what we got. In this particular one, I'm looking for heat. The color looks great. It's a great salsa verde color. It's good. So good. I used a whole small lime. It is pretty limey for this batch that I made here. Been better off using just half that lime. That was a really strong lime. But you know, if I'm going in front of the ship, it's a damn good salsa. Almost got like creeper heat to it. Like the heat kind of like welcomes you like a little bit later. This is so good. I give it 2 thumbs up for sure. I know Sarah gave it 2 thumbs up earlier. Take her word for it, please. Thank you. But I'm thinking this could use, you can hear me sniffling, it could use a little more heat though. So I'm thinking we're gonna throw like maybe 3 or 4 more of these chilies on there. So these are these Chile De Arbols. They're super good, super potent too. So let me get back to you. So there you have it, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed today's roasted tomatillo salsa verde. Today's recipe made about a little over 20 ounces, so this will serve about 4 people comfortably around the table drinking. And if you enjoy this content, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And we post content every Thursday. So again, we will see you next Thursday. Have a great day. Bye.